The Garmin product with model number 721098 is a premium fitness-focused wearable designed for users who want more than just basic smartwatch functions. It is built around activity tracking, health monitoring, sports performance, and outdoor usability, making it suitable for people who regularly exercise or want deeper insights into their daily habits. Garmin has built a strong reputation for creating devices that focus on accuracy, reliability, and durability, and this model follows that approach by offering a detailed experience for users who enjoy tracking progress over time. The overall design philosophy is centered around performance rather than being just a stylish accessory, which makes it appealing to athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and outdoor users who need dependable information during different activities. One of the strongest aspects of this Garmin device is its focus on fitness tracking. It provides users with a wide range of information that can help them understand their workouts, monitor activity levels, and stay motivated toward personal goals. The tracking features are designed to support different types of users, from people who are beginning a fitness journey to experienced athletes who want more detailed performance data. The device's ability to collect and organize health and exercise information makes it useful for users who like analyzing their progress and adjusting their routines based on measurable results. The Garmin ecosystem also adds value because users can review their activity history, compare performance, and keep a long-term record of their fitness journey. Battery life is another area where Garmin products often stand out compared with many traditional smartwatches. For users who spend a lot of time outdoors, travel frequently, or do long workout sessions, having a device that does not require constant charging can be a major advantage. This makes the watch more convenient for everyday use, especially for people who want continuous tracking without worrying about charging interruptions. The durability-focused design also makes it suitable for active lifestyles, where a device may be exposed to sweat, movement, outdoor conditions, and regular use. The user experience is generally designed for people who appreciate detailed information and customization. Garmin devices often provide many options, settings, and activity modes, allowing users to personalize their experience according to their needs. This can be a major benefit for advanced users who enjoy exploring different features and getting detailed feedback. However, the same level of detail can also make the device feel complicated for beginners or users who prefer a simple smartwatch experience. Someone who only wants basic notifications, step counting, and casual health tracking may not fully use all of the available features and may find the interface more complex than necessary.